Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video series of Excel, today I will tell you how to find out the duplicate values in Microsoft Excel sheet. For this, open your Microsoft Excel. I have already created one file of Excel on my desktop. I will open this file. Here you are able to see certain values. The two lists of mobile numbers and the names are also written here. I just want to find out whether the numbers are same or they're just coinciding. They're just duplicating each other. Okay, for this what you can do is take the help of the conditional formatting, then go to the home tab and then click on the conditional formatting. Little triangle is there. Certain rules are there which you can apply for your particular need, but right now I'm just telling you only to find out the duplicate values. Okay, for this just click on the highlight cell rules and then click on the duplicate values. Okay, and then from here you have to click on duplicate. Okay, and then any of the formatting which you're wanting, you can select the formatting like light red color with the font. Okay, let's try this. Click on OK. For this, first of all, you have to select the range. Let's try again. If you not select the range, then it will not happen. Okay, remember this. Okay, just select the area, then again try. Okay, for this what you're doing, click on the conditional formatting, then again click on highlight cell rules and then click on duplicate values. Okay, now the values are highlighted here. Okay, now you don't like the color of this. Okay, you can also change the formatting from here, like the green fill with dark text, and then click on OK. See, this number is the duplicate of this number. In this way, you can find out the duplicate values. Also, if you want to find out the unique values, then also you can use the same trick. Okay, right? For this, go to the home tab, again click on the conditional formatting and then click on the highlight cell rules, then click on the duplicate values. Right here, instead of the duplicate, now you have to click on the unique to find out obviously the unique values and then click on OK. This is not happening because you have to first clear out the formatting which you have already done in this. Again, for this you have to just select the data range and then click on the conditional formatting, and here one option is there of clear rules from selected cells. When you will clear, all the previous formatting will be cleared from your sheet. And then again, if you will select the data, okay, and you're trying to find out the unique values, then click on the conditional formatting tab, click on this highlight cell rules and then click on duplicate values. In under the duplicate value tools, you are getting one option of unique. Click on unique and then click on OK. All the unique items are highlighted. There's so much of unique item. Okay, so in this way you can find out your unique or duplicate values by using the conditional formatting option in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I have taught you today. Stay connected for all the further videos of this channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck.